Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Earnify at the pump. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, to use the Earnify at the pump and maximize your fuel savings and rewards at participating BPay and AMCO stations, what we need to do is go ahead and make sure we've got the Earnify app installed. So go to the Apple Play Store, download and install the Earnify app. Then you need to register your mobile number, link your preferred payment method within the app as well. Then from there, just simply locate a participating BP station or AMCO station that accepts Earnify. Then when you're at the pump, use the app to pay. So pretty much you need to open up the Earnify app and select the option to pay at the pump. Then follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the pump and complete your transaction. Then simply use your linked payment card. So swipe your payment card that is linked to your Earnify account directly at the pump, or you can enter your loyalty ID. So enter your registered phone number, your loyalty ID at the pump when prompted. And you can also earn rewards. So receive an automatic 5 cent per gallon discount on fuel purchases. And also you can earn 1 point per $1 spent on fuel and 2 points per $1 spent on in-store items. You can also redeem points for fuel discounts, in-store purchases, or special offers.